Doing a quick video. I don't know what's wrong with this bird, but she don't have too much life to her left. Her eyes are still open, but I tried to sit her down. I thought she was cold, so I put her in front of the heater. I'm trying to dry her up, but she won't stand by herself. She's trying to watch. She'll lose her balance. See, she's fine there, but she just fell off that there plank because she won't open her eyes. Hey, 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 open your eyes. Hey. She's gonna fall off, watch. It's pitiful, but I just came out here and she was laying on her side. I've had one die a couple weeks ago. Not sure if it's just a weak bird from, this is one of my hatchings. One of these ones here. These ones are growing fine. They're healthy. But this one's not doing so well. You know. Yeah, pretty sure I'm going to come out here later and she'll be dead. Don't know what to do. Bring her in the house maybe.